This is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl, and in this video I'm going to show you how I make a classic Italian dish called chicken piccata. You don't want to miss it, so stay tuned. All right, real quick, let's go through the ingredients. All right, right here I have some boneless chicken breasts. I have a shallot. I have some fresh garlic cloves. I have some fresh lemon. I have some unsalted butter. I have some Italian seasoning, some heavy cream, some chicken broth, some capers, some sea salt, peppermill for black pepper. I have some white wine and some olive oil. All right, so that's pretty much all my ingredients. So let's get to doing some cooking. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dredge my chicken in the seasoned flour. Move that over to the side. All right, so I'm just gonna finish dredging this up and then we'll be on to the next step. All right, next, I already got my pan preheated. So I'm going with some cooking oil. In this case, I'm using olive oil. All right. As long as your pan is nice and hot, it's already smoking, so you don't have to wait for the oil to heat up. As soon as the oil hits the pan, it should be hot. All right. So what I'm gonna do now is coat my floured chicken in the egg wash. All right, so taking this batch out, let's got one more batch to do. All right, last batch is getting ready to come out now. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put this in the oven for about 10 minutes. And that's gonna finish cooking the chicken. And that's the way where you can, you know, because like I said, it has an egg wash on it. So the egg wash obviously is gonna cook way before the chicken does. So you're basically gonna brown it in the pan, finish it in the oven. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with everything to make my sauce. So I'm going in with my garlic and shallots. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I already got that cooking. Turn the fire off. Going with my white wine. Turn the fire back on. We'll let that cook down a little bit. All right, going in with my chicken broth. About a cup. Going in with my lemon juice. And I'm going in with my capers. All right, now I'm getting ready to go in with my heavy cream. Hit it with a little black pepper. A little bit of salt. We're just going to stir this up a little bit, get all those flavors together, and then I'm just going to let this cook down and reduce a little bit. So here you go, chicken piccata, done by yours truly, Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl. I want to thank you for coming to the channel. Make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. So again, I thank you. Stay safe. Catch you on the next video. Make sure you leave a comment and let me know other things you want me to make. God bless.